Today we're making the lazy lasagna trend in one pot. Whenever you crave some lasagna and you don't have time, this recipe is your solution. Just put all the ingredients together in one pot and you will have a delicious and heartwarming lasagna. In a pot, put some meat with some oil or butter and fry the meat until it's fully cooked. To make it easier, I will not add chopped onions and crushed garlic. Instead, I will add it as a powder. Add 1 vegetable stock cube, it's optional, and the spices: powdered onion, powdered garlic, allspice, paprika, and oregano. And of course, you can use the set of spices that you love to add usually to the lasagna. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I love to fry the tomato paste a little bit, it tastes so much better. Now I will add 500 grams of tomato sauce. If you don't have it, you can substitute it by adding some extra tablespoons of tomato paste. Add it gradually until you reach the thickness of the sauce that you need. Now I will add 4 cups of water. If you want it drier with less sauce, reduce the amount of water. Taste and adjust the spices and salt at this stage, then add 1 cup of cooking cream. Mix all the ingredients together and let it boil until you see all the ingredients very well mixed, then you can put the lasagna sheets into it. The soup or the sauce should be boiling before putting the lasagna. Now break the lasagna sheets and add it to the soup. Make sure the lasagna sheets are well covered in the soup so it doesn't get dry. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes until the lasagna are nearly fully cooked. If you want it to be like a soup, serve it like this. And if you want it drier, cover the pot, turn off the heat and leave it to absorb all the extra sauce. Turn on the heat again and now we will put the mozzarella cheese over it. You can choose any type of cheese you want and I will put some oregano over the cheese. Cover it so the cheese will melt and then you can serve it. The smell is amazing and it's very easy. I'm sure when you do it one time you will repeat it whenever you crave some lasagna and you are in a hurry and you want something fast and delicious. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.